Hello everyone, I am Kalpana. Today I am going to explain you my data science assignment questions with answers. The first question is explain the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning, provide example of algorithms for each type of learning and discuss scenarios where each would be appropriately used. So, supervised learning is a type of machine learning where we train the model using labeled data. What is meaning of labeled? Labeled means that each example in the data set already has the correct answer. The model learned the relationship between input and output and later uses this learning to predict answer from new data. It is just like studying with the help of solved examples in a textbook because we already know the right answers during training. So supervised learning use labeled data to predict answers. After it, unsupervised learning, on the other hand, works with the data that has no labels. The model is not told when what the output should be. It tries to understand the structure of the data by itself. This type of learning is mainly used for grouping, pattern detection, and understanding the hidden structure within the data. It is like exploring a new topic without any guidance and trying to find patterns on your own. Unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data to find hidden patterns, while supervised learning uses labeled data to find patterns. After it, examples of algorithms. Supervised learning algorithms are linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, support vector machine, K nearest neighbor, and a priori algorithm. So, what is linear regression used for? Linear regression used for predicting continuous values like house prices or temperature. Logistic regression used for binary classification problems such as spam detection. Decision tree used for both classification and regression task. Support vector machine used for separating data into classes using a hyperplane. K nearest neighbor classify data based on the closest training example. A priori algorithm used for finding association and frequent item set in a transactional data. After it, unsupervised learning algorithms. K means clustering. K means clustering group data into a specified number of clusters based on data similarity. Hierarchical clustering build a tree-like structure to represent data grouping. Principal component analysis (PCA) used for reducing data dimensions while retaining important features. After it, appropriate use scenarios for unsupervised learning and supervised learning. So supervised learning is best used when you have a label data. You want to predict or classify future outcomes. Example, predicting student grades based on study hours, identifying whether an email is a spam or not, detecting diseases from medical images. Unsupervised learning is best used when the data is unlabeled and unstructured. Um, you want to discover patterns or groupings in the data. Example, customer segmentation based on buying habits, grouping similar news articles or products, detecting unusual patterns in network traffic, anomaly detection. After it, the second question is describe the concept of hypothesis space in machine learning. Explain the algorithm find a hypothesis by find s for the following instances in a training set. There is given a table. By using this table, we have to find hypothesis by find s algorithm. Firstly, we discuss the concept of hypothesis space. In machine learning, a hypothesis is a possible explanation or function that map input attributes to output labels. The hypothesis space is the set of all possible hypotheses that the learning algorithm can choose from. For example, if we are trying to predict whether a car is positive or negative based on its attributes such as origin, color, type, etc., then each possible rule or combination of these attributes form one hypothesis. The goal of the um, learning algorithm is to find the most suitable hypothesis from this space that correctly classify the given training example. After it, we see find as algorithm steps. So, what is find as algorithm? Find as algorithm is a simple concept learning algorithm used to find the most specific hypothesis that fit all possible all positive examples in the training data. It assumes that all the instances are noise free and that there exists at least one positive example. Steps to find S algorithm is for step one is initialize the most specific hypothesis h to the most specific value possible. For each positive training example, compare the example with current hypothesis. If the hypothesis does not cover the example, generalize it just enough to include the example. After it, ignore negative examples. They are only used to ensure that the hypothesis remain consistent. After it, the fourth step is continue until all examples are processed. You can see this in table when we apply these steps. So the step one is included in data, like first is positive, so we include it just as normal, Japan, Honda, Blue, 1980 and economy. After it, in second step, we can see there is negative, so we ignore it. After it, we move towards third step, and in third step we compare the third step with the first step. So the common thing or the generalized differing attributes is Japan, Blue and economy. Ignore the fourth example because this is also negative. In fifth positive example, compare it with Japan, Blue, economy, third example result. So compare both, and generalized attributes are Japan and economy. So the final interpretation is the final hypothesis suggests that if a color is from Japan and its type is economy, it will be classified as positive regardless of manufacturer, color or decade. So this is all about these two questions.